Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. And in this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat games are not loading or where to find the games into the Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to solve the issue, just simply open your Snapchat application and first of all, you have to know where to find the games. Now in order to find the games, just simply go to the chat section into here and click to the search button into the top left. And from there, just simply type the games option into here. And after that, you just simply have to scroll down to the lens section into here. And into the lens section, you can see a lot of games. Just simply select the game, and after selecting the game, your game will successfully be loaded. And you can easily play it from here. But sometimes the game will stuck at middle while loading it into your phone. And if it's not opening, in that case, there is one or two things that you should try. The first reason that might be your device. Yes, your device can cause the problem sometimes. If your device is outdated or couldn't handle the game's data into your Snapchat, this problem constantly appears. In order to solve this issue, just simply try removing the unnecessary applications or files from your phone and free up some storage. And in second scenario, your Snapchat application might have been outdated. Just simply open your Play Store or App Store in this case and search for Snapchat and check for the updates. And if it shows the update button in here, just simply click into that update button and update your Snapchat application to the latest version. Then your games will start loading and working properly into your Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.